I know that a lot of people have problems with their DVDs and those one for the map, of course, and a lot of people are wondering how to get the disc off and potentially insert another disc in so that their map is more up to date probably, or something else. The way that you do this is actually pretty simple. First you have to open the glove box, and this thing right here that I'm showing you currently is the location of the disc for the map itself. And the way that you extract the disc is pretty simple. First you have to go to the menu, then go to map DVD on the right top corner and press this thing right here, and this is going to automatically extract the map disc that you want. And now you can put the other one in. And the way that you pull it in is very easy. You just push it and it is going to accept the disc itself. Close this out, and in a couple of seconds we will have our DVD pop up, DVD check in process, and we have our navigation right now.